What's the matter, Drake? Drake! Drake! You miss Justin? Yeah? Tell him to come back. You tell him, that's right. Yeah, he needs to know how upset you are. You miss him? Oh, I know. You got anything else to say, Drake? Drake. Aw, Drake. I know. Don't worry. Mama's gonna post it on Facebook so he can see how upset you are. I know. I know. Don't worry. He wanted to be gone for a whole year. What do you think about that, Drake? It's pretty upsetting, isn't it? What are you going to do about that? Aw, you want to give him kisses? Give him kisses. Give him kisses. Oh, no. Say, come back. Say, come back. Oh, do you want to give him a... Oh. Oh. That's right. You tell him. Come here. Give him a high five. Sit. You want... Sit. Hey, Drake, come. Come. Come here. Sit. Sit. Give Justin a high five. Give him a high five. High five. High five. Okay, that's it. Peace out. Oh, no peace out? Okay. So speak.